As a child, I always loved visiting my grandfather's vegetable garden. Within his garden, he had a small greenhouse. The light inside was beautiful, filling the space with a warm glow and a symphony of natural scents. It had a serene atmosphere. This immersive experience from my childhood became the inspiration for building the Roetsj Marble Run. I am deeply passionate about textures and materials. They subtly tell stories, even when we don't realize it. To match the greenhouse, I used weathered materials such as reclaimed wood and rusty metal, combined with shiny plexiglass tubing and new copper fittings, inspired by my father's profession as a plumber. These materials generate a striking contrast and friction, narrating the tale of the old greenhouse and its new plants. The greenhouse, like life itself, embodies continuous cycles, with the marbles symbolizing the unending circle of life.